In this short video, I'll share how you can convert a standard control into a common control.
If you understand these steps clearly, you can eliminate a lot of wrong answers on the exam.
Let's start with the most important rule.
When a control is first created, it will always be a standard control.
Always. And you cannot create a common control directly.
First, ServiceNow creates as a standard control.
After that, it can be converted into a common control.
This is one of the most common exam traps.
Now, let's look at the first scenario, a new customer scenario. This means no control currently exists, so the customer is implementing compliance from the beginning and want to use a common control.
The steps are simple. First,
you create a single standard control for the primary entity.
Remember, a common control must be one primary entity relationship.
And this is the entity that will perform the testing.
For example, if it manages centralized access, IT becomes the primary entity.
Second, you're gonna convert that standard control into a common control.
Again, conversion happens after creation, not before.
The third, add the entity type into the common control.
This allows ServiceNow to dynamically generate Reliant entities.
Those Reliant entities inherit the testing result from the primary entity and do not need a separate testing.
This saves times and reduces duplicate compliance work.
Now let's look at the existing customer scenario. In this case, the customer already implemented ServiceNow and you are going to create a common control. So most customers already have the control objective scoped with entity type and standard controls already generated. So in this case, the process is different.
First, convert the standard control of the primary entity into a common control.
Second, you're gonna go ahead and convert the remaining standard control into a Reliant entities.
Once converted, those original standard controls are retired.
That's a key exam point. And the third is removing the entity type from the control objective.
This step is critical. Why?
Because if the entity type remains related to the control objective, ServiceNow will continue to generate a new standard control for you.
That defeats the purpose of common controls.
The fourth is add the entity type to the common control.
Now, new entities added to that entity type will automatically become Reliant entities instead of receiving new standard controls.
This is one of the highest probability exam questions, so remember this clearly. Entity type cannot be related to both control objective and the common control, not both.
If it is on the control objective entity type related list, new standard controls generate.
That's it. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone.